Whether it is a new construction project, rebranding, or remodeling project, let Replications Unlimited be your one-stop source for all your architectural needs. We work with you from start to finish to make sure we achieve your project goals and vision designs while saving you both time and money throughout the whole process. What can Replications Unlimited offer you for your project? Your time is valuable. Coordinating items from multiple sources can lead to scheduling issues, missed targets, cost overruns, and lost revenue. Here at Replications Unlimited, we are more than just the maker of panels. We try to make the process of making your construction project as convenient and as simple as possible. With our design services, single contractor system, and combination of products that create ease of installation, we make it possible for your project to be built at a fraction of the time and cost in comparison to traditional methods. If you want to learn more about how we can be your one-stop source, check out our website at URESTONEPanels.com/one-stop-source or give us a call at 314-524-2040. From concept to completion, see what we here at Replications Unlimited can do for you.